Hi friends, I'm back with another amazing design. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful manipulation design using a Sprite can. If you want to learn the tricks and techniques behind this design, be sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. First, we need to isolate the image from the background. Next, we need to match the colors of the cut image with the colors of the background image. We place the Sprite can behind the image and adjust its colors to match the ambient colors. To match the color, simply adjust the hue and saturation until the object's color matches the ambient color and reduce its opacity. There are various methods for this, but this is the most suitable setting in my opinion. Afterwards, we add a blur effect to the background image to create a sense of depth of field. This helps to achieve a more realistic composition. Finally, changing the main colors of the composition from light yellow to nature green will help to improve the overall look. To do this, we will use the hue and saturation adjustment again. It's a simple process. Since our object is exposed to sunlight, we need to add lighting and shading to it, because if there is light, there is also shadow, and if there is shadow, there is light. To do this, we can increase the brightness in the brightness and contrast adjustment and apply it to the desired part of the can by masking it. We embellish our composition by adding small details to it. Finally, we use the camera raw filter to adjust the brightness, saturation, and contrast of our image. Our design is ready. What do you think? If you liked it, let us know by commenting on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.